So how do you create your first funnel? But first of all, what is actually a funnel? A funnel is really simple. It's basically two or more pages connected together with a specific goal. An example for a funnel can be a home page and a page that is after it, like a book an appointment, like in this case. This can be a just two-step funnel where you have, the landing page and the next page, and you can even have the third one, which is the thank you page after you submit the book an appointment form. So this is a funnel, and the funnel itself, it's the great thing about a funnel is that they are very optimized for that specific goal. So it can be sales, so you can be selling things, it can be lead generation, it can be whatever you wish it to be, and it's focused on that specific goal. So that's why they're very good in terms of conversions, doing any type of campaigns, and they have other different amazing perks such as A/B testing, conversion tracking, and so on. So let's get started and build our first funnel, and we'll go with some of the basic things there. So the funnels, when you click on the funnel button on the left side, you get into the funnels that you might already have. And let's create a new funnel. So by clicking on the button create a new funnel, you will see the different designs of funnels that we've created for you. So you can select one of these designs to get started. So they have different steps, as you can see, 2 steps, 3 steps. The different types of funnels have different step counts. These ones are the sales funnels, and let's say that you want to have a lead generation funnel where you want to have a campaign where people are signing up and leaving their information and getting something in return, maybe contacting you or whatever it is. So let's create a lead generation type of funnel. So we have the different designs here that we can start with, and let's say that we like this one. It has 2 steps. And you can click on the preview and see the different steps that we have inside this funnel, such as a landing page and a thank you page. Okay, cool. Let's start with this one. Just click on add funnel and add a name to it. And just like that, we've created our first funnel. And by default, when you create a new funnel, if it is outside of a website, it's going to be standalone, so it will not be connected in any way to your website. But if you want this funnel to be actually part of your website, just go inside the list of your funnels and click on the 3 dots. And then you have the option to move to a website in this project. So by clicking on that, you can select the website that you want to put this funnel into. So let's say the website 2 that we were previously on. And just like that, we moved our funnel inside the website. And you can even show the header now if you wish. But the idea behind the funnels is that you don't have a header there, because the header is navigating you outside of the funnel, and the idea is to keep you inside the funnel and to go from the landing page to the thank you page in this case, or to the other steps that you might have, and you can add a step here. So in this case, we have this funnel for lead generation. We have some information that you can obviously completely modify the way you want. And again, we finish with the call to action. It can be a button, it can be a form, it can be a sale product, whatever it is. And just like that, we've added the whole funnel and the thank you page here, as you can see. So you can modify everything about your funnel, and you can start promoting this whole thing to your to a campaign, or to send people that are going to be doing some action in that flow. And the great thing about the funnel is that you can also see how many people have been visiting each page and what is your conversion rate. So how many people have went through this landing page into the thank you page. You can also do an A/B testing. That's one of the amazing things about the funnel. So if you want to split test your landing page, for example, you can just click to A/B test and click on duplicate. That will create an exact copy of your homepage on your landing page that you had. But you can now modify and add different things, such as different heading, different person. That's maybe this image doesn't work. Maybe a woman would result in more people signing up. Different covering, different videos, different messaging, and test out what will actually get you more conversions. And you can do that in just a few minutes of editing, and you can see great results. Sometimes you might have 2 or 3 times more conversions. So this is the easiest way to make sure that what you have on your page is actually working. And yeah, this is how simple it is. You can see analytics. If you're doing sales, you can do create a sales funnel, and you can see analytics about your sale. And just for the sake of the example, let's create a new funnel that is going to be about sales. So click on create a funnel, and let's say that we want to sell something. You can select, let's say, this funnel, add a name to it, and again it adds all the steps from that funnel. And as you can see, you have the product that you can select. You can add different things about your products in general, information. And the idea is here is, again, we don't have a header. All the call to action is going to the next step, which is the checkout. So you're giving enough information to the customer to make sure that they are interested in the product, and they click on buy now, order now, and they just go to the checkout where they can purchase the product right away. Nothing else as distractions. It's fully about the conversion and getting the person to purchase the product, to make the action, whatever the funnel is. And you can do different things with the sales funnel: upsells, downsells, bump offers, but we'll go into more details in the detailed videos that we have for the funnels. And this is how simple it is to build your funnels. You can navigate through them, you can have them outside of a website or inside. And in the next video, I'll show you how to do that for your website and split test your homepage and add your homepage to be your home funnel. So this is how simple it is to build your first funnel and create your first funnel steps.